Hi, I am your balloon teacher, Cindy Popaloon. Now, for this one, we are inflating a 40 centimeters long balloon, a 260 balloon, and a 3 centimeters yellow 260 balloon. Now, we are going to make a wrist flower. So you can place 4 fingers, or if you want it bigger, place 5 fingers. It depends if you are making it for an adult or a child. For a child, we can make it smaller, maybe 4 fingers. Or even smaller, okay? Now, I am making a medium size, around 4 fingers. Then when twisting here, this point must go under the other point. It needs to be very tight. Now from here, push this in. Tuck this in. This way it won't bounce around. Then we make another one. The same size. Press down and twist. After twisting, hold here and twist together. Slightly pull it out and twist again. Now make one more, slightly massage it so that it's not too full of air. Now we check from here to see if it's the same length. If it is, press it down and twist one circle, then lock it. Use this hand to pull it out a little, then twist right. Just like this. Now you have 3 petals. Then this one, we'll pop it. Okay. Now, for the 3 centimeters one, we tighten it here, twist twice. Then this one, pull it down. Okay, twist twice. Now you have made a wrist flower. If you want to wear it on your hand, you can take the extra part here and wrap it back. Then twist it twice. Now you can put your hand in. Okay.